What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete, back again. This time, the final reveal of the Airkewld chassis. The chassis that gave us the most problems. You're about to see it. We're looking for 1,000 likes. You think we can get it? The work, the effort, the passion. The pros at Airkewld have made it happen, and you're about to see it. I'm excited. Let's go. We did it, guys. It's done. Pro-built freeway flyer transaxle with the late model mount, rubber mount that comes from the bottom. We just painted his starter. We didn't do anything with that per se. We got new CV axle assemblies, new bushings, new e-brake cables. We've greased it with our greaser here. This is all part of our Gen 1 Bad Series disc brake kit. Our stainless brake hoses, paint matched calipers, powder coated, stainless stainless hardware, cadmium plated hardware, drop shocks in the rear, stainless brake hoses in the rear, stainless hardware kit up here. We went with the knockoff Fuchs from MP. Had them detailed by this guy, if he's still doing it. We did a new shift coupler inside, did stainless hardware to fasten it there. We did the pan halves. You might have seen it here. I mean, like it was pretty much all the episodes. But we made them look fantastic, in my opinion. What do you think? Rebuilt the e-brake handle assembly. We just painted a shifter. You wanted to use the factory shifter. We replaced all the cables, so for his heater and defrost, so all those will be working. We welded his clutch tube. See that here? Put the inspection plate there. We sell that. Joey was doing it here. We did the seal, new pan seal. We'll soon have these pan seals available for Beatles Ghia's things. We did the disc mass cylinder with the reservoir. His application calls for 3-prong brake terminals, so we got those on there for him. redid the brake hoses to stainless, redid the hard brake lines, updated his pedal assembly to look like an early bass with the cruiser pedal and roller accelerator pedal. New pedal pads. We got our Pro Built beam on it with our Bad Series disc brakes, our new inspection plates, new OEM Pro Built steering boxes, and 4.5 Fuchs up front with 135s. The rear has a 205 65 15 in the back. All the hardware, cadmium plated, blued, stainless, all has been expertly installed. We then Linexed the top and bottom of the chassis. We'll come back and we're going to pause here, and the magic of editing will show you the bottom. And we're back. So 1974 Ghia, you might have seen the first episode when we took it apart, what we turned it into. Heck, this isn't rate my work, but 1 star being bad, 5 stars being good. Comment down below, let us know what you think. Hey guys, we did it. Chassis number 87 is done. We're off to the classic. Couldn't do it without him and the USPS guy over there. What's up, Brian?